Day 25. Day 25. Guys, we're at day 25 in our marathon. And tonight we're going to be looking at Kentucky. This one is going to be very short because Kentucky, I only found 3 school districts in that state that sponsored H1B visa in the last 2 years. So, very short, we're going to get straight into it. But if you did not watch last night's marathon, you would have missed Nebraska. Go and check out Nebraska, guys, to see what opportunities they had for you. So let's get straight into our topic, which you already know. H1B sponsors in the 50 states in the last 2 years. In our marathon, 50 states, 59, 5 school districts in each state. Not my fault why I'm only seeing 3 for Kentucky, but I'm going to present these 3 to you tonight. So if you got halfway through, I told you we needed to do some form of celebration. Halfway through, we're at the halfway mark. Let me see some celebration in the comment section below. Halfway there, guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're joining this platform for the first time, my name is Dr. Britton, and on this platform I share how you can get a teaching job in the United States. We're currently doing our marathon. We're looking at school districts that have sponsored H1Bs in the last 2 years in the 50 states. So check the playlist below if you'd like to learn more about the other states that we've covered before. You would have seen them earlier on my screen. We're going to get straight into Kentucky. As I mentioned earlier, there were only 3 school districts in Kentucky that had sponsored H1B visas in the last 2 years. I'm not saying these are the only, but in my research, there were only 3. All right, let's get straight into them. Okay, so the first school district we're going to be looking at today in Kentucky is the Ashland Independent Schools. In the last 2 years, the Ashland Independent Schools, they sponsored 2 H1B visas, and they sponsored teachers from middle school areas. It just said middle school teachers. So you can check out Ashland Independent Schools if you're interested in Kentucky. The second school district on Kentucky's list is the Bullitt Central High School. That's the Bullitt Central High School. And in the last 2 years, they sponsored 12 H1B visas, and they only categorized their sponsorship as teachers. So it can be teachers of any area, but they didn't specify, if it's sped or elementary or whatever. But you can check out Bullitt Central High School. They sponsored 12 H1B visas in the last 2 years, and they are located in Kentucky. All right. You already know how you can go about finding the opportunities to see what opportunities they have and place your applications in. Now, if you've gotten this far to this video, we're coming to the end. If you've not liked this video as yet, go ahead and like, turn your notification bells on, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to somebody who may need this information. Don't forget also that you need to come back. And don't forget also that we're going to be looking at the other 25 states and at least 5 school districts in those states that have sponsored H1B visas before. So let's go to our last school district in Kentucky that has sponsored H1B visa in the last 2 years. I really hoped you stay for this one because the Fayette County Public Schools in the last 2 years sponsored 20 H1B visas, and they also sponsored or petitioned for 1 green card. So check out Fayette Public Schools if you're interested in working in Kentucky. They sponsored areas such as high school Chinese teachers, math teachers, and elementary Spanish teachers. So if you qualify for any of those areas, I'm not saying that's the only areas they sponsor for. Those are the areas I saw that they sponsored for in the last 2 years. You can check out their website and see what opportunities they have for you. All right, that's the Fayette County Public Schools. All right, definitely do your own research, learn some more about the school district, and if you're interested, you can put an application in. So that's it for Kentucky, guys. I am excited that we're halfway through the 15 night marathon. I don't know about you, but I really want to get this 15 night completed so that you can get the information you need and be on your way on getting a teaching job in the United States. If you'd like my one-on-one guidance, my one-on-one service, don't be afraid to check out my website at supremacyconnect.com. That is linked below. For a small fee, you can chat with me and find out your unique way to get a teaching job in the United States. That's it for Kentucky, guys. And don't forget, tomorrow we will be looking at Louisiana. Oh, let me tell you about Louisiana because I already got the tea right here. So Louisiana tomorrow had bigger numbers than Kentucky. Louisiana also, in my research, I found 3 of the 5 schools that I'm going to be sharing tomorrow about Louisiana, 3 out of the 5 of them did petition for green cards. So if you want to teach in Louisiana, you're interested in getting an H1B visa, specifically a green card, Louisiana may be the state for you. 3 out of 5 that I'm going to be sharing tomorrow has sponsored green card. So that's it for tonight, guys. See you tomorrow when we look at our 26th state, Louisiana. Bye.